we just pulled onto Highway 50. Day 4, Loneliest Highway. And so far it's just been freezing cold. But there we are, looking to the east and the south. And then my pals over here getting a little morning feed on, getting their steps in. That right there, that's a pretty tall mountain. But I think we're good. And we're actually going to go around it. We're not going to go up and over it. So that's Route 50. Let some of these working people get by. So I had a good long talk with some folks that I met last night at the hotel. And we had a really awesome sense of community. Drank some beers, couple of older women, absolutely hilarious, from Wisconsin. They had a 68 quart Coleman cooler full of beer, because as ladies who travel together from Wisconsin, they don't go anywhere without it. It's quite hilarious. They were really cool. Let's talk about the Loneliest Highway. Today, I think we're going to probably make an attempt at 8:30 in the morning to get all the way to Carson City today. So it's going to be a lot of high speed and then empty roads. My back hurts, but I'm going to get some breakfast somewhere and get recharged, be ready to rock. The last part of it is I'm going to stop along the way, make sure that we talk about loneliness, or maybe things that go along with loneliness. How does that sound? All right, everybody, we got to get off this side of this highway and get rolling. I expect to see a lot of cool stuff today, but not nearly as much as we've seen in the last 3 days. And with that, let's get back to it. right, well, we're in Delta, Utah. Just got some chain lube, some more windshield washer, because I've killed a lot of bugs. But we're about to get, ooh, almost fell over in a gravel parking lot. We're about to make some time. It's 472 miles to Carson City, about 7 hours, they say. Let's just see what comes of that. Yeah, and these Africa Twins, you need to put them up on the center stand. You fill it all the way up into the neck. And there's a gap there, and that gap is every bit of 3/4 of a gallon of gas more. It shuts off. Get it full first. Yeah, it'll gurgle and gurgle and gurgle. And honestly, it looks like it's going to overflow, but it's not. It's filling up that gap at the top of the tank, and it'll go back down. And that's that. Alright, so we're just leaving Ely, Nevada. Just crossed 21,000 miles on the Africa Twin. Just had a Philly cheesesteak and a Mountain Dew. I needed something to eat. I hadn't eaten anything other than a half of a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit in Canab yesterday morning. There's water droplets on my windshield. Please tell me we don't have rain. But anyway, Ely's a good place. The GoPro battery's dead. put the helmet down, then lay the hammer